This is the NAX P200, a pocket thermal camera that stands out from others for those who want the professional thermal camera without the professional price tag. For only $500, you get an adjustable camera that's really easy to use. As an infrared thermography trainer, I've worked with a lot of thermal images. I've tested many different thermal cameras over the years. However, I can safely say that the NAX P200 really stands out for this feature alone. How many times have you been in a situation where you weren't able to capture a reading because of how awkward the space is? I know for a fact this has happened to me and many of my trainees. This 90-degree adjustable camera allows me to work in those types of situations. On top of tackling tight angles, the 56-degree wide lens outpaces many others, letting you pressing close and still capturing everything you need. Look at it. It's smaller than my phone and can comfortably fit in the palm of my hands. This has been really helpful as I can just carry it in my pocket like a phone. It can also connect to other devices and screen mirror the live view. Great for team workflows or remote guidance. However, I have a minor nitpick for this device. At times where I'm wearing gloves, I am unable to press the right buttons as they are really small. So, a small improvement that could be made to it will be allowing users to increase the UI element size. This is, however, a really insignificant flaw, and the pros still outweigh the cons. Yet, after all that, I'm still amazed at the price. Only $500. For a product that does so much and at this quality, I highly recommend it to anyone working in places that needs portability and flexibility. And if you're in the process of buying a thermal camera, you can try out many thermal cameras at our free thermography training courses. For more information, check out the link in the description below.